What up guys, so welcome back to another tutorial. So yun guys, as you can see, ang iba na yung setup natin because I have been very busy this past almost a month na yung last upload ng video ko yung isa. Then yun, so maraming nangyari guys, and kung makikita nyo bago yung setup ko, and this is actually Ubuntu Linux kernel, gano'n, and version 20.04. Yun, so yun guys, bago tayo magsimula, just want to explain muna madali yan. So, dito na ako mag-code. Basically, bumili kasi ako guys ng gaming PC, guys yan. So, yeah, gaming PC. Yeah, thanks so much sa mga friends ko na tumulong. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo. Yeah, so thank you so much guys. So, thank you so much sa mga amazing na mga taong yun. So, yun guys, quick lang. As I said, dito na ako mag-code. Again, dito na ako mag-record and everything. In terms of programming, yeah, Linux now guys, or Ubuntu. Yeah, dito na ako mag-ano. Napag-decisionan ko actually because gusto ko naman like matuto ng ibang operating system. Pero naka-dual boot actually ako. Yun. So, nakakapag-Windows pa rin ako. Usually doon ako naglalaro. Ganon. So, probably I'll stream rin. Depende. I'm not sure yet. So, yeah, who knows. So, in this tutorial, guys, so, madali. Di ba yung the previous tutorial, may mga tutorials akong in-include about Sublime Text. So, ayop na panood niyo yun. Ayop na marunong kayong mag-run ng Python programs. Yun. So, walang pinagkaiba, guys, in terms of like gagawin nyo dyan sa kung naka-Windows kayo. Again, kung paano kayo mag-run ng tutorials, kung paano kayo mag-run ng Python programs, kung napanood nyo yung tutorial ko about running Python programs sa text editors, ideally, kung alam nyo yan So, probably majority sa inyo is naka-Windows, so, kung paano nyo yun i-run, tinuro ko na yun. So, basically, pareho lang naman dito yun guys sa Ubuntu. So, magra-run lang ako dito is through command line. So, okay lang yan. Basta maparan nyo lang, or kung gusto nyo akong sundan, maparan nyo lang. So, basically, alam nyo na Ganon. Okay. So, in this, guys, lang naman natin yung tinatawag na logical operator. So, madali lang naman yon. Yung basically, ito, set it up, yung and, or, at saka, not. So, the way na iyan ko lang muna para at least ma-familiarize na kayo, or makita nyo kung paano ko ito i-run. So, basically guys, i-run ko to here, for example, hello. Meron ako dito guys na VS Code, pero hindi ko yan gagamitin for the sake of simplicity because medyo complicated kasi may mga sinet up ako dito. So, para kung anong magtataka. Paano yun? Ganun. So, for simplicity lang, kasi hindi pa naman to grabing tutorial like basic logical operators pa naman. So yun. So basically I'm just going to open a terminal here, then i-run ko dito basically yung Python, then filename.py. Basically dito Python 3. So ganun guys, sa logical operators, meron tayong tinatawag yung and at saka or at saka not. So basically guys, usually inaano nyo to kapag meron kayong mga tinatawag na conditions, and nangyayari yun kapag gumagawa kayo or nagpa-perform kayo ng if-else statements. Ganun. Pero hindi mo na to if-else. So yun guys, basically the end returns true if both statements are true, and or returns true if at least one sa mga statements is true, and yung not is kabaliktaran. So let's just make an example guys, ganito. So for example, we have here condition, actually let's add another n3 is equal to let's say 10, n4 is equal to let's say 20. Condition, let's just say condition is equal, by the way, pwede ba sa Java, pwede ba sa ibang programming language na meron kang condition na i-store mo sa isang variable, pwede ba yun? Hindi ko pa yun na-try in C. Usually ginano mo sa if-else, diba? Anyways, so excuse me. So, let's just say na N1 is greater than N2. Di ba alam niyo to guys, comparison operators, naano ko na to sa previous tutorial. So, N1 is greater than N2 and, wait, paano na N dito? Mahirap kasi And I think it's end or end. Ano ba dito sa ano guys? Yeah. Small lang in Python. I think, yeah, sorry guys pag medyo wala kasing text, I mean IDE. I think it's, yeah, it's small lowercase lang. And N1 is greater than N2, and N3, let's say naman is less than N4. So ano ba ang magiging result? Ano ba ang magiging result ng condition na to? Will it be true or false? So let's break it down. So N1, ano ba ang value ng N1, which is 1, N2 is 2. So N1 is greater than N2. So basically, sinasabi mo na 1 is greater than 2. So ano ba yun? Is it true or false? It's actually false because it's false because N1, 1 is not greater than 2. Hindi naman malaki ang 1 sa 2. And, meron kang and N3 is less than, ang tawag dyan, N3 is less than 4. So, sinasabi mo na 10 is less than N4, which is 20. 10 is less than 20. True or false? It's true, because maliit naman talaga ang 10 sa, excuse me, 20. So, ganito yung guys. So, it's false and true. So, basically dito, returns true if both statements are true. Basically guys, pag sinabi mo kasing and, ganito yan. So, yan. Tandaan nyo guys, in logical operators, kahit ilang condition pa to guys, kahit ano pa yan, and, tapos marami pa dyan, N1 is greater than N2, and sunod-sunod pang end, once may mag-false lang na isa, tandaan yun, false na yan. False na yan. And that's basically the opposite of or. Once kahit ilang condition pa yan guys, kahit ilang condition pa yan, kapag or to, or kapag, kahit ilang condition pa yan guys, blah blah blah. Kapag or yan, once na may mag-true dyan, true na yung condition na to. Yung output niya is true. Yun. So basically ganito, in our example, let's just say dalawang example lang muna. So kapag print ko to, paano nga yun? Oh yeah. Basically as I said, i-run ko dito sa terminal. Yeah. So I'll just say Python 3, ang name ng tutorial, save ko ba? tooth19.py. So it basically says na false, cause false and true. So ganito lang guys, in a real world situation, para hindi ka malito sa end, think of something like this, ang end. Okay? Sa real world situation, di ba guys, ang meaning ng end, like sa English na word, kapag end, parang ganito, parang sinabi mo na, parang for example, ako may inutusan ko yung isang tao, okay, bilhan mo ako ng chicken and pizza. Chicken and pizza. Okay? So, in order for me na masatisfy ako, tingnan mo yung statement ko orderin mo ako ng chicken and pizza. Kailangan yung dalawa yung makuha ko. Kasi and nga yung dalawa dapat. So, kapag hindi ka naka-order ng pizza, ganon. So, basically, orderin mo ako ng chicken and pizza. So, naka-order ka ng chicken, let's say, yung chicken, naka-order ka ng chicken, true. Hindi ka naka-order ng pizza, then false yun. So, kailangan ko yung dalawa kasi nga sabi ko, and chicken and pizza, yung dalawa dapat. So, basically, ganun, parang ganun guys, so, ganun yung purpose ng and, yung kailangan at dapat ma-meet or at kailangan every condition in order to be true yung condition na output. Kailangan at least yung kada condition lahat yung true kapag and, you're using and. Okay, kasi yun nga, from the statement, from the word itself na and, dapat, diba, and, parang ganun, gusto ko ng pizza and chicken, yun yung dalawa yung goal na gusto ko. Kabaliktaran naman ng or, excuse me, ganyan. So, kabaliktaran naman ng or, ang tawag dyan, ng or. So, basically, yun nga, returns true if one of the statements is true. Yun yung sinasabi ko guys. Ganito, true to, cause, as I've said, kahit ilang conditions pa yan guys, kapag nag or, kahit ilang conditions pa yan, once na may mag-true dyan na isang condition, for example, eto, true na to. True na yan. True na yan. So, if we try this, guys, for example, let's analyze it ulit. So, N1 is greater than N2. So, N1, mas malaki ba ang 1 sa 2? It's basically false. So, N3 is less than 4. 10 is less than 4. So, it's true. So, kung pag-print ko to, Python 3 is basically true. Kasi or. So, kung punta naman tayo doon sa situation in real life with chicken sa pizza, kung titingnan mo kasi guys in real life ang or, di ba, intindihin mo lang yung statement in real life, wag mong isipin yung programmatically na ano. Tingnan mo, kapag may nutusan akong someone, like say, okay, bilhan mo ako ng chicken or pizza. Parang sinasabi ko, okay, bilhan mo ako ng manok o kaya pizza, kahit alin dyan, okay na ako, parang ganun. So, parang ganun yung purpose ng or. Intindihin nyo guys sa statement na pa like, bilhan mo ako ng chicken or pizza. So, di ba, kung iintindihin mo yung statement, kahit alin sa dalawa, parang satisfied na ako. Ganun. So, for example, yung chicken at saka pizza, let's say, nakabili ka ng chicken, then true, yeah. So, nakabili ka ng pizza, false. So, okay lang yung kasi sinabi ko kahit or kahit alin lang doon, okay lang ako. So, basically ganun. So, true. So, parang ganun, satisfied ako. So, true. Ganun lang naman guys, parang ganun. I hope na nag-guess nyo yun. Ganun kasi yung pagkakaintindi ko ng ganitong ang tawag dyan ng logical operators na to. Kasi yun rin yung sinabi sa amin ng prof. Which it makes sense. Doon ko talaga like natanim sa isip ko, oo nga, no, ganun yung parang logic niya in terms of, ganun lang dito guys, yung parang sa real world situation na ganun. So, pero yung tanda nyo guys, yung sinabi ko about sa kahit ilang conditions pa to guys, kahit ilang pa yan, or may mag-true lang dyan na isa, for example yan, may mag-true lang dyan na isa, for example ganito, so ganito, or, blah, blah, 1 is greater than 2, wait lang, yeah, 1 is greater than 2, blah, 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 or 9 is equal to 0, or blah, 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 may mag-true lang dyan na isa, excuse me, may mag-true lang dyan, true na yan, sa end naman, yung kabaliktaran naman ng end, yun, may mag-false lang dyan na isa. False na yan, yung condition, yung ano. So yun guys, yung not is just basically yun, reverse the result, returns false in the ano. So parang ganito, di ba? Eto, tingnan nyo to. Save ko. Let's use the end. So basically guys, binabaliktad dyan lang naman niya. For example, Python 3, here to. So, yan, di ba false yung, ang tawag dyan, yung output, yung value ng condition. Kapag sinabi natin na not condition, so basically, anong value ng condition? Basically, it's false. So, not false is true. Ganun lang naman guys. Parang, ganun lang naman. Yan, di ba? So, if lagay ko ng or, ano yung result nito? It's true. Di ba? Initially, it's, for example, ganito na lang. Not condition. Excuse me. So, di ba ang condition or the value ng condition is true. So, not true, it's basically false. So, ito yun. Yun guys. So, yun, I'll discuss more about this in the next tutorial. Yeah, so, yun guys. I hope na naintindihan niyo yung sa part na explain about chicken and pizza. That's kind of ridiculous to be honest. Pero yun, I hope na nag-guess niya ako yung part na yun. So, yun guys, again, everything right now guys, everything right now, I'll record everything sa Linux. So, I hope na hindi kayo mabaguan sa, anong tawag dyan? Hindi kayo mabaguan like sa setup ko because it's basically just the same guys. Ang Ubuntu, it's actually a very very nice operating system. Gusto ko rin kasi like matuto excuse me ng other operating systems. Like, ito kasi trinay namin ito nung college, first year, college ata nakita ko. Hindi ko nga alam na operating system pala to eh. Like, parang Windows. So, everything on Ubuntu, nahalata ko is command-based. Yeah, Ganun lang naman talaga ata ng Linux. Oo. So, yeah guys, I hope na na di kayo mabaguhan. So, eventually soon, if dito na ako mag-code. Pero medyo yung mga ano pa naman kasi yung mga tutorials is very very simple. Kahit dito lang na pag-run muna sa terminal, wala pa naman ng mga packages, mga kailangan kasi yung mga packages yung mga pinipip install ko is basically may sineset hard drive kasi ako dito, doon ko nilalagay yung mga virtual environments tsaka yung mga packages kasi yung size ng sa SSD nitong operating system is I think it's 100 gig lang, so para makasave rin ng space. Yun guys, so I hope na di kayo mabaguhan. It's actually nice guys, probably soon malay mo may matutunan kayo sa akin, and still I'm learning this operating system. Hindi pa naman ako expert dito sa Ubuntu, so yun, I am still learning more about this, pero it's actually nice. I like this na operating system na to. So yun guys, I hope na everything's fine. I hope na you're all good. So yun guys, as I've said, I've got this new gaming PC. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you sa mga nagtumulong sa akin mag-set up. Yun, alam niyo na kung sino kayo. So yun guys, thank you so much and I'm out.